So what is Smart Shuffle in Spotify? So this is a new feature, a new way to shuffle. Discover fresh music by mixing your playlist with recommendations that match the vibe. So yeah, so basically, if you have some old playlist which has 200 tracks, and you don't want to hear them in the same order, you just tap shuffle, and then it's just basically changes the order. But now in the same menu, you can enable Smart Shuffle. This is a new way, and then basically I think Spotify is just using some AI to mix your playlist with some new recommendations. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And Spotify has a lot of these new features, such as enhance. If you just go to some playlist, you can tap enhance, and this feature will just basically add some new tracks, with some enhancement also. So yeah, that's what it is.